Wake up early in the morning and go to bed as early as possible. You have to maintain these simple two rules to get rid of all your odds in your life. आमिर खान साहब को नींद नहीं आने का कारण पता था, लेकिन आपको what is the cause of your insomnia? Let's find out in this video. All the beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Wellness Yoga. Insomnia is a sleep disorder in which you have trouble falling asleep. The condition can be short-term, that is acute, or can last a long time, that is chronic. Common causes of insomnia include stress, concerns about work, school, health, finances, or family can keep your mind active at night. There have been several scientific discoveries with regards to insomnia that highlight the fact that it is actually a problem of the brain. Our brain has two systems, sleep and wake. While the first one helps us sleep, the other helps us stay awake. In more technical terms, the tendency to sleep in humans is regulated by a fine balance between wake-promoting neurotransmitter system and sleep-promoting neurotransmitter system. In order to facilitate sleep, a group of neurons in the hypothalamus release ghrelin and GABA, that is gamma aminobutyric acid. If your GABA levels are low, then your mind can't slow down. It may race forward at full speed even when it is time to sleep. Additionally, insomnia can also be related to hormonal imbalance. Fluctuation of thyroid, testosterone, cortisol, progesterone can all cause sleep difficulties. Here are some tips for beating insomnia, including yoga and Ayurvedic remedies. So let's find out what all things you have to do to beat insomnia. Wake up at the same time each day. Eliminate alcohol and stimulants like nicotine and caffeine. Exercise regularly. Do not eat or drink right before going to bed. Take your dinner just on or before 8 p.m. Do some right nostril breathing, Surya Bhedi Pranayama, just after having your dinner. Then go for walk for few steps. Make your sleeping environment comfortable. Spending time with pets will make you relax. Try to understand their behavior. Plant a tree in the corner of your home or garden and water it daily and watch it grow. Will give you immense pleasure. This way you can relax. How does yoga help cure insomnia? When you practice yoga, you are in touch with your breathing and every single part of your body. The stretching that yoga entails has a deeply calming effect. Yoga helps you get rid of your sleeplessness. You are sure to get a good night's rest. So what all yoga poses you need to do? Let's see. Uttanasana. It is also called Padahastasana. It helps stimulate the nervous system and increases the blood supply. It is also called the powerful stretch pose, as Ut means powerful, Tan means to stretch, Asana means posture. In this asana, your head is below the heart, and this allows for blood circulation in your head instead of your feet, giving your cells a rush of energizing oxygen. You can call it asana hypothalamus pose. Downward facing dog calms the brain and helps relieve stress and mild depression. energize the body, strengthen the arms and legs, promote releasing hormones from hypothalamus when done with head supported. Thus, it helps to a good sound sleep. Balasana. This may be one of the best yoga poses for insomnia. It resembles a child in the womb and is therefore also called child's pose. It helps calm the nervous system, thus inducing better sleep. Baddha Konasana. This asana is named after the Sanskrit words Baddha means bound, Kona meaning angle or split. Baddha Konasana, also called cobbler pose or butterfly pose, gives the knees, groin and inner thighs a good stretch. It is an effective asana that relaxes your full body completely. Viparita Karani. Legs up the wall pose looks hard, but it is incredibly relaxing. It removes the tiredness from the hips and the feet and sends fresh blood flow to the brain. It calms the mind. A quiet mind leads to a better sleep. Marjari Asana. This asana, usually called cat pose and combined with cow pose. This asana may help to regulate digestion. It massages the abdominal organs, improves blood circulation and relaxes the mind, leading to better sleep and less insomnia. It is true, even cats can inspire your yoga lessons. One can never imagine how satisfying and beneficial a cat stretch can be unless it is done. With all these 6 asana, do practice some breathing exercise regularly to get rid insomnia. Do Kapalbhati Kriya for 3 to 4 minutes to detoxifying your body. Do Anulam Vilam Pranayama for balancing Chandra and Surya Nadi. Do Bhamri to activate your sympathetic nervous system and hypothalamus. And Udgrid for maximum relaxation. How to do? Link in description. That was all about insomnia. What Ayurveda says about insomnia. Take some milk, lukewarm milk in the night, and then add some crushed almond and ashwagandha and mix it well and take it in the night before bedtime. Nice one. I am going to tell you one more Ayurvedic product, that is aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is known for its multi benefits in Ayurveda and modern science. Aloe vera is considered to be a nutritional storehouse. 10 to 30 ml of aloe vera juice. Mix it with a little bit of water and take it in the morning. In the morning in empty stomach. I am Sammy, Yogi Sammy, and thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.